nice and clean. Oh, you can't see that. Nice clean material, nice and thick. So here's an old one, and you can see it is dirty. This has been installed for a year, and this one probably should be changed more often than a year, but we're going to actually cut these straps here and open this up and show you how big these things are and how much dirt really collects on them. Okay, I got it laid out here on the floor. You can just see how much dirt has collected on this. Now, this filter was overused too long in the system, but even the fact that it's been in the system that long, it still kept the interior of the unit very clean. No dust or dirt inside the actual equipment. Ductwork is very clean. This thing really did its job. And you can tell, here, I'll take this. You can see on the other side, it's actually not bad at all. So this is the side that was, you know, opposite of the filtration, right? So it comes in this side, and the clean air comes out this side. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then you can see the difference here. That. Same filter, 1 year apart. Beautiful.